At Agility, we know that surgery is your bread and butter. Not only do you take pride in the work that helps patients live their best lives, but we take pride in helping you rely on fully functional surgical equipment to perform to the best of your abilities. How, you may ask? Using our mobile service labs, we come to your facility and repair your cracked, stained, and non-functioning surgical equipment. Is that kerosene ronger too dull for the most delicate bite? No problem. Or need a pair of ophthalmic forceps aligned to the factory standards? We were made for this. Our modernized, self-contained repair labs remain on-site while a qualified technician repairs and adjusts your surgical instruments.
In fact, 98% of your instruments can be repaired and maintained right inside our mobile service labs.
And the benefit of doing the repairs right here on site, your equipment is repaired faster and out of service for less time, meaning you can get back to saving lives and improving patient outcomes. And we're not just repairing and adjusting instruments in our labs, we're also tracking for preventive maintenance. Our tracking system helps you identify which tools might be on the verge of breaking down, giving you peace of mind so you can worry less about going into the OR with less than ideal surgical equipment. Are you a regional hospital serving the community around you? Our mobile service labs will travel. Are you part of a national network of hospitals? We've got you covered there too. Our ability to scale with your facility means that you never have to worry about the state of your surgical instruments, no matter your size. So if you're tired of mailing in your curettes to be repaired and waiting days to weeks for their return, rest assured that our labs have got you covered. Go to agilityhealth.com for a free preventable damage audit checklist and to learn more information about our mobile service labs.